Hello everyone, here is a little review of a Stream Deck, not really a Stream Deck, Stream Dock, I found for under 50 euros on Ali. As you can see, it was well packaged. Here is a box and the sides of the box. There is a little guide, one side is in Chinese and the other in English. The instruction says you must download some software from a URL. It's a nice plastic and the buttons feel alright. And here is a cable, a braided one. There was a little problem with the cable. As you can see, this part is not meant to move like that. But this time, yes, it's better. So there's two parts, the screen and some sort of stand. You can put it in it. It doesn't slip. There are 4 rubber pads below. And here is it on the first boot. You get just a static screen. It's waiting software. So here is a URL. It's downloading. It's quite a big download. Around 300 megabytes. I'm French, so this is all in French. That was quite a surprise. Most of the time you're limited to English, but this time the software was okay. As you can see, the software is from Mirabox. And I think I've seen this device under this brand. So there's a very short tutorial at the start saying you just have to drag and drop the functions on the right onto the device in the center. So right at this moment it's working. Let's have a look on the different functions that are included. So, sorry, it's all in French because I started in French. So there are quite some things to play with, and you'll see later that there's a store of free plugins, free additional plugins. This is a quick review. I didn't try everything. So here we are, and as you can see it's working with the software. There's a little timer, so you see it's starting and stopping. This button is to change profiles. When you press it, it's just pressing the underlying screen. You must push it full. If you don't do full press, it will not register. It's working fine, but you must wait the screen to be refreshed before pressing again. The buttons feels nice. Back to the software. You see the profile we have just seen before. And when you want to change something, you click on the button. You see it's doing the next profile, but you can go to a defined profile. It could be faster. So this is included guide we have seen on the start, and there's a tutorial section where you can find a lot of videos well explained. It's really a nice idea. It's just YouTube links, but I think it's great. So we'll have a look to the plugin store. Everything is free. There's a lot of things. So I installed the OBS Tools plugin. I didn't play with it yet. So feel free to ask questions in the comment section. I'll try to reply. So some categories of the plugins. Icon packs. And the tutorials. So we'll have a look on one of the tutorials about system performance. I think it's a nice device for this, because a system performance monitor is usually about 50 euros, but you'll just have a screen. Here you have a screen which is tactile with button. I think it's still better. Of course, you won't be able to draw some nice graphics because the buttons are tiny, but it can have lots of uses. So for macro keyboards, I think it's really a nice device. Down on the left, you can see S293S, which is probably the OEM that built the device. So there you have it, the Stream Dock. Feel free to ask questions in the comments, and please like. Bye bye!